Alright, what is up you guys? My name is Jovani and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be having my fiance Elizabeth change her own oil in the Camaro just for fun. I can do it for her, but I'm going to make her do all the work today. A few simple things you guys are going to need, and all the links to everything is going to be in the description below. We're going to need a jack. This car specifically is going to need a low profile jack since it's pretty low. Going to need an oil container, oil filter obviously, and some jack stands. And then you're also going to need a couple sockets for the oil plug. So this is Allie's 2019 Camaro. It is an LT with a 4-cylinder Ecotec motor. This is the 2.0 turbo motor. This is the same engine that you'd find in a Cadillac ATS, a couple CTS models, and I believe even in the Chevy Colorado trucks. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the jack and we're going to slide it underneath the vehicle, and then we're going to find a place to jack up from. Alright, so we're jacking the car up from the sides of the vehicle since there's a lot of plastic coverage underneath the front and we can't see any obvious jack points from the front. Another thing you want to do before you jack up the vehicle is pull the parking brake. This one is electronic, so it's just simply pulling a button. And then having a low profile creeper isn't necessary, but it definitely makes the job a lot easier. So what Ellie's going to do is Ellie's going to slide underneath the vehicle and she's going to be looking for an access port or an access hole for where the oil fill plug would be. So a couple things you guys want to double check before you actually do anything. You're going to want to get the right socket for your oil fill plug, and you're going to want to make sure that you bought the right oil filter for the vehicle. We just verified both of those things, so I'm going to have Allie go ahead and slide underneath and pop the oil fill plug out. Alright, so Allie's going to go ahead and slide underneath the vehicle. She's got her oil drain can, and she's going to be looking for a silver drain plug. It's a little bit further down. Okay, see that bolt sticking out like a sore thumb? This one? Yep, that's your oil fill plug. Okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna put your can right underneath that, and you're gonna scoot yourself out of the way, so that way you don't get covered.
Like that?
Yeah, just make sure it's right underneath it, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Here's your wrench. Okay?
Okay.
You're just gonna loosen that plug very slowly until it gets loose.
Oh.
There you go. Did it loosen?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you can take your wrench off and just do it with your hand, okay? Slowly. And you're gonna wanna scoot away a little bit so you don't get oil all over your face, okay? Because once it opens, it's gonna come out.
I can see it starting to come out.
Okay, just make sure your can's lined up with it once you pull it all the way.
I have to take it off?
Yeah, you have to pull it out completely, okay?
Okay. Ah!
And then once you take it out all the way, it's gonna kind of squirt, okay? There you go.
Oh, it's spilled on the floor.
It's okay. Okay, so now Elizabeth's opened up the oil fill plug. She's gonna let the oil drain into her can until basically nothing's coming out anymore.
The bottom of cars looks weird.
Why?
There's a bunch of like stuff.
How's it going?
It's gone.
Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is take the oil filter off. You're gonna wanna grab yourself some of these oil filter wrench pliers because usually they're on there pretty tight.
To the left?
Yep. Sometimes you could do it with just your bare hands, so try that first. If you can't do it, I can do it, okay? Because you don't want to pop a hole. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, we can't.